It's not that cold. 0 degrees only. There's the usual style na pag nagsusnow, hindi siya sobrang malamig. But after ng snowfall, yun yung pinaka malamig talaga. So expect na maybe tomorrow or tonight, grabe kalamig. Malakas po yung snow natin today. It's a cold morning, but not cold. Kaya nilalabas ko pa yung kamay ko. Ganun kasi talaga pag nagsusnow. Pero baka next week or this coming weekend mag-drop ito ng more than -10. So for now, it's 0 degrees.